I'm sitting here with Larry, Larry sold a business through the Benjamin Ross Group about 2 months ago, and today he just recently bought a business through the Benjamin Ross Group. Larry, how's it feel?
It feels fantastic. I'm really excited about the opportunities I've been given here, and I'm eager to get moving and grow, grow wherever I'm going.
Okay, great, great. Larry, why did you choose the Benjamin Ross Group in the first place?
Um, to be honest, it was just light years above everybody else that I've worked with and tried to work with. It was easy to work with them. They were very communicative, and it was a pleasant transaction in either side. So
Okay, great, great. Would you recommend the Benjamin Ross Group?
definitely, I already have actually to some of my colleagues. So it's a great company.
Okay, thank you very much. Congratulations, Larry.
Thank you.